Hello guys, here is Yvette again, and today we are going to make lunch or dinner for two, and it will be a keto lunch with salmon and salad and some extras. So if you want to see more of these videos, then please consider to stick around and hit the red subscribe button, and let's get started. You need a tray or anything to put your fish in, and I'm gonna make 225 grams of flour. Alright, and then I'm going to use asparagus, about 70 grams, and I'm gonna rub them into bacon. And you can just stuff them in between where you have space for them. Like this. And then you can heat your lox or salmon with some Parmesan cheese. This is about 7 grams. Very good. And now you can put spices on it as your choice. I will use pepper, salt, and garlic. So here is the garlic. I really like garlic, so you can be very generous. Pepper. And the good quality salt, Celtic sea salt. Alright, so you just cover it with a foil and put it in the oven. And don't forget to preheat. And now you just put it in for about 20 minutes. Until our salmon are getting ready, let's do our salad. You make one good stir, and you can add 1 spoon of olive oil or 1 spoon of lemon, or as much as you like. And you can use some salt. Alright, so our salad is done, and let's check on our fish. Okay, so now it's about 20 minutes and let's check it out. Oh, it's very nice. It's cooked. If you want to have it a bit crispy on the top, then you put it in on 200 degrees for about 3 to 5 minutes. I am gonna do that now. Okay, so now it's 5 minutes over. Let's check the fish. Oh, it's perfect. Look, it's nicely crispy, the cheese melted on, it's perfect. Okay, so I already made the salads on 2 plates, and now I'm just gonna portion out the fish and the asparagus. And you can top it up with an extra lemon juice a little bit on top. And that's it basically. I think it's super nice. Alright, so we are gonna head to lunch now with our keto food for two. Okay, if you wanna see more of these videos, then hit the subscribe button below and give us a like if you did like this video. And see you in our next video. Bye bye!